Oh, hi. I didn't see you come in. I'm Isaac. I'm the flower lad. You've caught me in my natural habitat. We are here in the retail cooler at the Centerville location of the Flowerman. We have some big news right now. We are celebrating 35 years of business, and this is a big deal for us, which means there are going to be some big deals for you. The first 100 brides who book with us will get 35% off 2020 DIY weddings. We're also giving away two $250 gift cards to go towards your DIY wedding. To enter to win, find this post on our Facebook or Instagram.